how conservative are you? Would you ever wear a two-piece swimsuit? Would you ever kiss your partner in public? What do you wear when you go swimming? Let's say in the pool or at the beach. Do you wear thongs? Mom, do you have a partner or you're single?
Ah, yes. I'm single.
How long have you been single po, ma'am?
Since born.
Oh, this is no, seriously, seriously.
Yes, yes.
And
I,
how old are you po, ma'am?
I'm 23.
23.
I'm 23.
Mommy, she mentioned earlier, you're a teacher, right, ma'am?
Yes, I'm a teacher, private school teacher.
Hi, everyone. We will be interviewing Filipinas from Goa, Bicol, Philippines. Their answers and preferences might be different than those who live in other provinces or cities. Anyway, let's find out and enjoy the interviews. Be, how conservative are you?
Um, I'm not really conservative when it comes to my outfit because sometimes I have the confidence.
You have the confidence. So that means you wear like revealing clothes like that.
I wear revealing clothes, but not that often. It depends on the occasion or events I'm attending to,
Like what occasion?
like birthday, um, Christmas party, something like that.
Okay. And what kind of clothes do you wear during those events? Like what kind of clothing?
Like fitted dress or something that I can express myself.
And express your the beauty of your body, right? I see. Okay. What do you wear when you go swimming? Like in the pool or at the beach?
Actually, I don't wear swimsuit. I'm more comfortable with like spaghetti fitted clothes and like short.
I see. That's every time, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that means you don't wear a two-piece swimsuit or
No,
even one piece.
not yet.
Not yet. And how old are you?
I'm 19.
19. Okay, not yet. Okay. But how about in the future? Do you see yourself wearing a two-piece or at least one piece
Yes.
without cover?
Yes.
So I love the confidence. But do you think do you think even you are like in the future, even you wear two-piece or one piece, do you still consider yourself conservative?
Yes, because I still, feel the confidence and I still doesn't have much that what do you call that? I still know how to control and to bring myself to that outfit.
Oh. Not because you are wearing revealing swimsuit doesn't mean you are not conservative. Okay.
It depends on yourself. It depends how you bring yourself and to that outfit.
Okay. If you see someone that is wearing like provocative attire or like revealing clothes, do you think she is not conservative?
No, maybe it still depends on her. I still respect her the way she dress and yeah, I think it's really depends on her on how she wants to wear clothes.
Okay. It doesn't really matter, right? Okay. You still respect that person. Okay. That's a good, what do you call, positive attitude. Especially nowadays, there are so many women or girls like your age that they like really like, they're just very confident. I wear anything I want. They're like that, right?
Yeah.
You'll see that all over social media, TikTok, Facebook, like that. Okay. Anyway, um, would you ever kiss your partner in public?
Like a peck, yes, I would. But in the surrounding with not many to like old people because sometimes old people doesn't really, about that kind of stuff.
They do what? They think what?
They think that you're so what do you call this?
Like wild?
Yeah.
Mm.
Because some older Filipino believes um more on beliefs on like um they're more conservative in like what do you call that I think
They don't believe in PDA.
yeah, they don't. They more on private
Private.
when it comes to relationship, when it comes to intimate. like that.
Intimate things. But you like quick kiss it's fine.
Yes.
As long as it's not like you're kissing like okay, you don't do that in public.
No.
Okay, the last question is do you wear thongs?
No.
No. Okay. But do you know anyone who wears that?
Yeah, my mom.
Oh, your mom.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's common for our, for the elders to wear that. But for your age, like seldom, right?
Not yet.
Not yet. You never. Okay, I see. Okay. But do you know anyone like friends of yours like wear those?
No.
No. It's not very common here in the province. Or maybe in different provinces in the Philippines, maybe they do. But here in Bicol, even me, I can tell, right? I have so many friends on Facebook like your age, and they don't really wear those kind of stuff. How conservative are you?
I'm not totally conservative po when it comes to dresses or the way I talk. It's just that po, I just put a limit po in myself. Like when it comes to dresses, as long as I'm comfortable with the dress that I wear po, I'm okay with it po. Tapos, like, pag I put ano din po, yung when it comes to curfew, when ano po, sa family po, it's ano po talaga, yung ano siya,
They have curfew, your parents?
total sa fam po, wala na. Ano po, we don't have a curfew. I just, remind myself na before 6, ano po, dapat nasa bahay na po siya.
Oh, before 6, you should be home. Even though you don't have curfew, right?
Yes po.
You always make sure to be home before 6 p.m. That's very good. Very good of you.
It's just ano po, it's my own way din po to earn my parents' trust. Gano po, para, it's comfortable din po din sa side ng parents pag aalis po.
So she said that it's comfortable for her parents' side when she go out because they trust you, right? Like that. You're giving them to you're making them to okay, you're making them to trust you. Right? Okay. That's very mature of you to think that way. And come here. And to think that how old are you again, Beth?
20.
20 years old. I hope all 20 years old is like, I mean, the mindset is just like yours. That's really, really good before 6 p.m. Wow.
Try it po. Pero minsan if I came late po, my parents understand it naman po because of my loads and responsibilities din po.
Oh. So there are times that you were able to come home late, but there's a reason behind it, right? It's not just, oh, I hung up with my friends like that.
Not po.
Okay, I see. Okay. Um, Okay, what do you wear when you go swimming? Let's say in the pool or at the beach.
When I'm with my friends po or ano po, I think one piece po. Ganun po.
One piece.
Yes po. Minsan, ano po, with short din po.
One piece with shorts. You don't really swim just one piece, right?
Po.
Okay. Would you ever wear a two-piece swimsuit?
Yes po. But ano po, with cover din po siya.
With cover. You will wear but with cover. Okay, come
Yes
here.
po.
Okay, I'm not gonna eat you, so come here. She keeps on like going. Come here. Okay, there you go. Okay, so a two-piece with a cover and a one-piece with a cover again, like these shorts.
Yes po, ganun po. Good.
Oh.
Like this po.
Yeah, it's very common here in the Philippines, or it's very common for Filipinas to wear shorts like this when they go swimming, especially in the sea, right? Or even in the pool. Oh no, in the pool you can't wear this kind of stuff because they don't allow it, right?
Yes
Yeah.
po.
You have to have a proper attire for that. Would you ever kiss your partner in public?
No. I'm not comfortable with it po.
Oh, you're not comfortable with it. I see. Do you have a boyfriend or are you single?
Still single po. But I'm entertaining someone po.
You're entertaining someone. How long have you been single?
Since birth.
Since birth, and you are 20 years old. Wow. May we know what's your course?
Financial management po.
And what year are you now?
Second year.
Second year. 20 years old, single since birth. No boyfriend since birth. You're so good. If I am your parent, I must be, very proud of you. Okay. Do you wear thongs?
No, I'm not comfortable. I mean, I have no problem with that kind of ano po.
Underwear.
Yes po, but I'm not comfortable wearing it.
Why you are not comfortable?
I don't know. It's just I don't ano po. I cannot explain it po, but I'm not comfy wearing it po.
Well, it explains why because she said earlier that she wears one piece but with short. She wears two piece but with cover. So it that explains why she won't even wear a thongs. I mean, she won't even wear thongs. Okay. Is it common here in the province to see a couple kissing in public?
No. Ano po, hindi po siya it's not normal po for us. No. We see it in the public po doing like PDA.
Yes, PDA, public
Display of affection.
yes, public display of affection. It's one of, okay, I see. Okay. Um I'm very curious right now because I am 4'10". Actually, I considered myself 4'11", but my husband measured me a lot of times just to make sure. He always tells me that I am 4'10". What is your height?
4'8", but when I fill up po some form, I write po ano 4'11".
When I was in college, I thought that I'm 5'5", like 5 feet like that. And then when I met my husband, he really messaged me a lot of times, and he said I'm 4'10", but I considered myself 4'11". So you're 4'8", but in the forms when you're what do you call these? When you're writing on the forms, you put 4'11". Is that cheating? Okay, you're 4'8", and you're so small. I thought she's 18 or 17, and then I was shocked when she told me that she's 20 years old. How conservative are you?
I think I am a very conservative person po because I don't wear clothes that are revealing, and I didn't say some some words that is bad words po. Kind of bad.
Oh, you don't say bad words. Wow. Okay. May we know what's your okay? So you don't say bad words and you don't wear revealing clothes. That's why you consider yourself conservative, very conservative, not just conservative, but very conservative. Do you have a boyfriend or are you single?
I'm single
Since when?
since birth.
Since birth. Wow. Do you have a crush?
Yes, I have, but I didn't consider having her a boyfriend po.
Oh, you don't consider him to be your boyfriend like that. What do you wear when you go swimming? Like in the pool or at the beach?
I wear shorts po na like normal ano po, wear po pag nasa bahay po, gano'n.
Oh, you wear your daily, your like everyday outfit. That's what you wear when you go swimming. Like t-shirts and shorts.
Yes po.
Okay, like shorts and t-shirts. You don't wear like rush guards?
No po.
You don't wear that.
But it's ano po, if I have ano po, rash guard, I can wear it po. If pero ano po, all the time po I wear yun na po 'to, casual clothes po.
Oh, okay. Most of the time, casual clothes like t-shirts and shorts. Okay, sometimes you wear rash guards. Would you ever wear a two-piece swimsuit?
No po.
No, no. Okay. How about would you ever kiss a partner in public? Let's say in the future.
No. I didn't consider.
Okay. Have you ever seen couples kissing in public?
Yes.
And what do you think about that?
I think it's I think it's bad because you're in public, and I think you should do that in private at work because some people may saw you.
I see. So it's bad for you. Okay, they should do it in private, not in public. I see. How about couples hugging each other?
I think it's normal naman po to hug each other. Pero don't make ano po, scene na
Oh.
ano naman po.
Okay, hugging is okay, but don't make a scene. Like kissing in public, for you, it's not good. It's bad. Okay, you should do that in private. I see. Okay,
Konti
come.
lang po.
Okay, come here. She keeps on like dancing like that. Okay, okay. What do you call this? Do you wear thongs?
But these songs,
That is very common to hear in like most of provinciana or Filipina province girls. They don't know what is thong. Thong is like tibak. Do you know what is tibak?
yes po.
Okay, so thongs, tibak, they're the same. Okay, so do you wear tibak or thongs?
No po. No.
Do you know anyone who wears thongs?
My friends po.
Oh, your parents, your
My
mama.
friends po.
Oh, your friends. I'm so sorry.
My
Your friends your age?
Yes po.
Hmm. Do you consider them as conservative or not?
I think it depends naman po sa preference nila. It's may ano man po.
It depends to their preferences. But how about you? Do you consider them as conservative since they're wearing thongs?
I think for me, it's not.
Okay, it's not conservative. Okay. Do you ever feel pressure because there are women or girls your age having these, like revealing clothes or even provocative attire? Do you even feel pressure? Like, oh, I should wear the same thing too because they look like cool, they look beautiful with it.
I think I'm not ano po.
You don't feel
I
pressure
didn't feel pressure po for them. Because I know my ano naman po. I know my
yourself.
my
You know yourself. You feel beautiful with this kind of
kind of
clothing. I see. Is this your everyday clothes, like dress?
no. I didn't wear dress po all the time. It's right. I every
Just today.
ano, yes po. Every celebration lang po. May
You
mga.
wear this kind of like very long dress. Okay. Do you mind if you give us a spin to see or to show people how beautiful your red dress is? Can you give us a spin? Okay. She looks very pretty. Like very like Filipina with this clothing. I love it. I really love it. Mom, how conservative are you po?
Um, when it comes to clothes, I used to wear those clothes which is um below knee, and I don't want it to show my shoulders, and I don't really like to wear shorts and without sleeves. I mean with no sleeves, and in words I could say that using those bad words, I it it hurts to my it hurts to my ears like that. I'm not that kind of girl who talks a lot to people who I mean I'm not confident when talking to those strange men or even with my friends, but not that close one.
Oh, I see. Are you an introvert, mom?
um yes, I'm an introvert.
I see. Mom, what do you usually wear when you go swimming, like in the pool or at the beach?
When I go swimming, I used to wear rush guards. Rather, yes, those from long rush guards than swimsuits or bikini.
So you don't wear two-piece or one
No,
piece?
no. It's just maybe I'm not really confident to show my body, and my body shape is not that ideal for that type of clothing. So maybe I should have prefer to wear those conservative ones.
Oh, I see. Mom, do you have a partner or you're single?
Yes, I'm single
How long have you been single po, ma'am?
since born.
Oh, no, seriously, seriously.
Yes, yes.
And how old are you po, ma'am?
I'm 23.
23.
I'm 23.
Mom Lisa, she mentioned earlier you're a teacher, right, ma'am?
Yes, I'm a teacher, private school teacher.
Do you ever consider dating a foreigner? Like in the future, who knows?
Maybe yeah, depends and depends on his values.
Values.
Yes, and how he accepts or understand the culture of Filipina. Yes.
Are you picky, ma'am? Since you
I'm not that picky. Maybe I have this a set of standards wherein it must be he must be a member of our church. We are in same religion, and that's one of my qualifications.
do you mind if like what is your religion, ma'am?
Yes, my religion is I am a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, or they called it as Mormon.
Oh, I see. Okay, for the last question, ma'am, do you wear thongs?
What?
Thongs.
Song?
Yeah, like this is very common. I think most of Filipinas, I mean, province girls, they don't know. Like P-back.
No, definitely no. It's a big no for me. I didn't imagine that I'll be wearing that type of song.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Thongs. But do you know anyone who's wearing thongs?
Oh, maybe my co-teacher. Yes.
Some of your co-teachers.
Yes.
Do you see yourself, mom, kissing your partner in public?
No.
How about a smack or like a beso?
Like a beso? Yes.
Yeah.
I could do that.
Okay, but not like, like wild, like kissing
No.
someone like, or your partner.
No.
No. So it's a big no for you.
Yes. It's probably a part of Filipino culture pa din. When in terms of showing your love for your partner in public, that's not that good for me. But for Italian, it would be normal. But for me, if it will be normalized here in the Philippines, I don't think so.
So you've never seen anyone like a couple kissing in public here in the province?
I haven't seen that.
Yes, that's how I believe very province this place is.
Yes.
Are you looking for like a serious relationship right now?
Oh, that's a tough question. But maybe I could say yes because I'm growing old. Yes, I'm 23 and I'm turning 24 this September. So, yes.
Yes.
Yes, it's a yes.
Okay. Well, advance happy birthday, ma'am. Thank you so much for having this interview with us. Salamat po, ma'am.
Yes, you're welcome po. I'm really happy to be part of your vlog.
We appreciate that. Thank you so much po, ma'am.
Beautiful reflection